Hello guys, welcome to my world. I am Kharim, and in this video I will be unboxing the Parrot Bebop Drone 2. This Parrot Bebop Drone 2 is by the company Parrot, and it's a small drone with 14 megapixel camera, 3 axis. This is not the best drone, but for a starter you can start with this drone, and this is the reason why I started with this drone. This is my first drone and I have chosen Parrot to be my first drone. I have chosen the red and black version. It comes in white and black and red and black. And the weight of it's not heavy, fairly light. Comes with this lens cap so you can protect the lens of the drone camera. The camera points downwards and it has a 180-degree view. 14 megapixel camera, as I said. Not the best of quality, but it's pretty good. And here's the sky controller, which allows you to fly the drone even further with ranges of 1.2 kilometers. Here you have the control for the camera for flying the drone up, down, backwards, return home button, emergency button, landing button, and that thing up there is the antenna, which boosts the signal so it can fly at that range. The same battery that is used on the Parrot Bebop drone is also used on the Sky Control, so it comes with two batteries with 2700 milliamp hours capacity. So I'm just going to slip the battery here in the Sky Controller, and there is a little switch on the side right there where my thumb is. Flip the switch and the light comes on. Then you wait for it to boot up. Notice here the controls are very nice, pretty smooth. Buttons are nice as well. The feel of the control is nice. The plastic, hard plastic. Here you see it booting up. The light indicators are the antenna and battery for the Sky Control and the Parrot Bebop drone. It's fully booted up now. Over here you have the Wi-Fi, you have the top lights are for the Sky Control and the bottom lights for the drone battery, indicating how many battery you have on the Sky Control or the Parrot Bebop drone. You also get a neck strap for when you're wearing the Sky Control. You can easily sling that over your neck and hold the control slightly forward in your hand. I am installing the strap on the Sky Control right now. And in these other boxes we have a USB cable for transferring pictures or videos from the Parrot Bebop drone to your laptop or desktop. We also have the charger cable and the charger and the propeller wrench. Try not to lose that because they only give you one. Just plug one end to the charger and the other end to the battery to charge, and the battery will be charged, and you will know when it's charged because it has an indicator on it. So when it's red, it's charging, green is fully charged. Here's another box of accessories. For example, if you want to use your tablet for visual display, 7-inch and a 10-inch tablet. And you also get this visor for when you're out in the sun. You also get 4 extra propellers, back and front. We all have drone accident at times, so try not to lose your propellers. And here, know before you fly. Here are some tips before you start flying the drone, where you should fly the drone, how high you should fly the drone, tips like those. So if you buy the drone, make sure read this instructions before you fly it. Time to boot up the drone for the first time. The Parrot Bebop 2 has a big light indicator at the back. The Parrot Bebop 1 didn't come with such a big light at the back, so the light indicator is a plus. So I have preloaded the FreeFly app on my tablet, and what I do is wait for it to boot, connect, and it's time to fly.